how to manifest exactly what you want with ease. So you simply ask and you receive it and it comes to you. And I've tried this process time and time again over the years, and this stuff really works. I have literal evidence that it works, and I'm sure if you reflect, you have evidence that this has already worked for you in some way too. Excuse the fan, I am making my breakfast at the moment as I'm sharing this. So it is having the knowledge that everything is energy, and everything in this universe and in the 12 laws of the universe works from a frequency perspective. So, geeky bit of science, atoms bond to atoms that are similar. So everything in your reality right now is showing you your frequency. Now, there can sometimes be a lag time between frequency and something showing up. So if you're in the void right now, this is also normal. But it is literally you becoming that frequency so that your atoms in your body, yes, I am a geek, I do love quantum physics, the atoms in your body become a match for the atoms of the things that you want to attract into your reality. So when you look at this time and time again, you look at the double slit experiment, you look at the robot and chick experiment in quantum physics, you look at the research from the field, the book by Lynn McTaggart, and there's loads of, Joe Dispenza, there's loads of research out there. It is all about that intention and becoming a frequency match for that thing. And one of the important parts is embodying it. So who is that version of you in what you're trying to manifest? And how do you show up even 1% more like that today? Because we need to take the action. It is the small actions that lead to the quantum leap. So daily, if you can tune in daily in meditation to that vision, and then ask yourself, what would be the actions that I would need to take today that would be in alignment with that vision? Those small daily actions and habits will lead to that quantum leap, to you manifesting what you want to you. And this literally happened to me. I was doing what I call the foundational practices. So we have to get the roots of the tree in place first. So, how are we nourishing our body? How are we taking care of our bodies? Clearing energy and entity. So energy clearing is a huge part of this. Looking at our patterns and inner child work, shadow work. And then asking daily, how do I show up as this version of me? And showing up in that space, including showing up for ourselves in that void. And then the thing will come to you. You won't need to hustle, push or prove. The thing will naturally vibrate into your reality.